Okay, I told you to find BD square, right? We need to find BD. What is BD? Just a minute. What is BD? How do you solve this, Shasha? Instead of 3.2, what I told you to take? Instead of 3.2, 16 by. Let me check. 16 by 5 is 16 square is 256 divided by 25. If you take LCM 25 here, 25 into 16 is how much? 400, right? 4, it's a simple concept. 400. What is 400 minus 256? 144. You are getting the answer. 144 divided by 25. I think you have gone wrong into 16 into 25 thing. If you want to find BD, you have to send the square, right? So BD is equal to 12 divided by 5. We got 12 by 5. Or if you convert into decimal, 2.4, right? We got 2.4. That's it. After this, you can start solving. See, we got BD square, BD value. Make a note, be quick. Yes, Alia, you can continue from the next question. Actually, today I didn't give a holiday, Alia. Moram, right? Is it fine? You want to attend? Okay. And tomorrow I'll be conducting test students. I'll send the test paper. This trigonometry, I'll include trigonometry, rational, irrational number, compound interest, part 1. Okay, so part 1 we have done all 3 exercises. You'll revise that. Rational and irrational number, even that one you'll revise. Trigonometry, how much ever we do now, till now, how much ever we do, complete only those questions. No class, Shasha. No tomorrow and Sunday. Again on Monday. On Monday we'll continue. Oh yes, Alia, I got no. So Monday I'll conduct morning. Okay. If not morning, afternoon students, I'll take for little longer. 2 hours because I'm traveling today. So Monday I'll take for little longer. BD is equal to 12.5, Shasha. Now you can try tan and other things. Okay. Okay. Complete that. You'll get the answer in decimal or mixed fraction. Next question. What about this one? Did ma'am do? What else ma'am did? Eighth one. Okay. Fine. Let me explain the sixth one, students. In a triangle ABC, AB and AC are 15, BC is 18. Find cos ABC. See, whenever cos, sin, tan is given, what kind of triangle, students? No, this one, isosceles triangle. Did ma'am didn't do sixth and seventh? She did seventh one. In the given figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle with BC 8 centimeter. Okay, it's a easy question. Shall we try? Sixth one I'll explain. You all can do the seventh. In a sixth one, is any right angle given there? No, right angle is not given. See, this is a special property. I'll teach you all a special property here. In a triangle, name it as ABC. Which two sides are equal? Sixth question. Which two sides are equal? AB is equal to AC. Both are how many centimeters? 15. In isosceles triangle, if these two sides are equal, which two angles will be equal, students? Angle B will be equal to angle C. BC is how much? BC is 18. Remember this concept in isosceles triangle. If I draw a right angle, if I pull this line center like this, straight, this line I'll name it as D, this point D, this BD and DC will be equal. Okay, this is the concept. Remember this concept. BD will be equal to DC. Make a note. BD will be equal to DC. If entire length is 18, what is the value of BD and DC, students? What is half value? 9 and 9 and 9. See, did we get isosceles two right angle triangles here? Got two right angle triangles? BDA 15. This is 9. Find AD, students. Apply Pythagoras theorem, find AD. Okay, Shasha, if you have textbook, Ali or Shasha, can you check the sixth ones now? What's the answer for cos? Is it 9 by 8? Sixth one. 9 by 12? 3 by? Okay, correct. 3 by 5. We are getting the answer. Complete this. See, draw a diagram. Join A and D. Join A and D and mention AD is a straight line. AD is perpendicular. Yeah, Jerusha, why are you late? Weren't able to join. Okay. See, we are doing the sixth one. Jerusha, can you see the screen? Respond. See, if you want to find. No? Why? Rejoin again. What about others? Not able to see the screen? No, no. Jerusha, now you check. Now is it clear? What about this one? When I taught, did you all understand? Alia, Jerusha, just now you have joined and you're telling us. Okay, look here. I'll teach once again. Complete. Alia and Shasha complete. Jerusha, we are doing the sixth question. What kind of triangle is this? Have they mentioned right angle there? Sixth one? No, they're not mentioned right angle. AB is equal to AC. See, I've drawn a triangle. AB is equal to AC. What do you mean by that? What kind of triangle is this? It's a isosceles triangle, right? Yeah, it is isosceles triangle, students. Now, whenever you get such question, connect A and D. This A and D will be right angle, students. It's a right angle. A and D will be right. This is 90. This is also 90. What's the total value of BC? Length BC given there. Total value of length BC is 18, right? So remember this, Jarisha. In an isosceles triangle, if you draw a line AD perpendicular, this BD will be equal to DC. If BD is 9, DC also will be 9 centimeter. What's the question we need to find, students? Cos ABC. Don't get confused. The answer is cos B. Yeah, if you want to find cos B, where is B? In triangle, left hand triangle or right side triangle? Left or right triangle? Left triangle. So take that specific triangle. In triangle ADB, apply Pythagoras theorem. D is 90 degree. AB will be hypotenuse, students. This is 9. Apply Pythagoras, find AD. Once you find AD, cos ABC. Find cos ABC. You'll get the answer. That's it. Same. Seventh one is also same concept. Just draw A, connect A to line BC. So according to Pythagoras theorem, opposite to 90 is AB square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. 15 square. 15 square minus 9 square is equal to AD square. What is AD, students? What did you all get AD? Okay. So this is how you solve isosceles triangle. Okay, did you get the answer? Sure, sure. Is it clear? Okay. Alia Jerusha, what is AD, students? When square root 225 minus 81, that is equals to square root of, so that is how much? 12. So I'll tell you what statement. Draw isosceles triangle and mention AD is perpendicular, right? Join AD to BC. That is what you have to mention. So in the exam, first draw the diagram, students. Below the diagram, mention join AD to BC. Okay. Therefore, AD is, write this symbol. This symbol stands for perpendicular, meaning 90 degree. AD is perpendicular to BC. Then start this calculation. Once you complete this calculation, cos ABC, which means center angle B, students. What is cos B? Base by hypotenuse. Look at this triangle. Look at this triangle, which is base, students. For angle B, which is base? 9. Which is hypotenuse? 15. Reduce it. What's the answer? 3 by 5. Go through this. Any doubts? If you want, I'll explain again. 6th and 7th is a simple question. 6th and 7th. Only the 4th and 5th one was tough, lengthy. 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Done? Okay. Just a minute. Try the next one, students. Try the next one. For seventh one, it's the same. They just given the diagram. What kind of diagram? Isn't it isosceles triangle? ABC. If this is A, draw a straight line. Right? Join AD. Write the statement. All of you will join AD to BC. Therefore, AD becomes what? AD is perpendicular to BC. What's the meaning? What's the angle formed? 90. If entire value is 8, what about BD and DC, students? Each will be 4 centimeter. What about BC is given? AB and AC is how much? AB and AC. Respond. How much is AB and AC? 5 centimeters, right? What they've asked us to find first question? Sine B. Sine B is in which triangle? Left hand or right hand? Left triangle. Simple question. Complete this. Find hypotenuse, find AD, students. Complete this question. All the question. So all four. What is AD value you got after applying Pythagoras theorem, students? 3. So what is sine B? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? AD divided by AB. 3 by 5. Complete second, third, fourth. All the four angles. Four questions. You will have questions with you all of you all? Okay, try this, students. Keep trying. Just a minute. Completed. What's the answer you all got, students? Tan C. Where is tan C? Second triangle. What is tan C? Perpendicular by base. Very good. 3 by 4. Alia done? 3 by 4. Tell me second question, students. What is sine square B? 3 by 5 square plus what is cos square? 4. Okay, 4 by 5 square. 9 by 25 plus 1, right? 25, 25 is 1. Good. Simple, students. It's a simple question. Fourth one. Tell me the fourth one. Just a minute. Tan C is 3 perpendicular by hypotenuse minus what is cot? 4 by 3. LCM is 12. Multiply into 3 and you multiply into 4. 9 minus 7, right? Or minus 7 by 2. Good. Very good. Minus 7 by 12. In a triangle 90 degree ACAB is x. Tan x is 3 by 4. Find the measure of ABO. That is also easy. Minus 7 by 4, students. Next question. In a triangle, let me draw a triangle. Eighth question. Look at eighth one. All of you. A, B, C. Which one is 90 degrees here? Which is 90? Angle B, right? No, no. If they mention A, B, C, always take the middle value. Which is the middle one? Yeah, B is 90. See, just to confuse, they give A, B, C, students. Always take the middle one. B. B is 90 degree. CAB. What is CAB value? See, if you're talking about CAB, which value you have to consider? Which is the middle one? A. A is how much? X degree. Is this clear? What's the other thing they have given? Tan X. Okay. What do you mean by tan X? What is tan formula? Yes. What is tan X value they have given? Tan X is equals to 3 by 4. So P by B is equal to 3 by 4. What is P value? What is B value? 4. So from A, which is 3, X, I've drawn X, right? From there, which is 3 students, which is perpendicular. BC will be 3, which is base. AB will be 4. So which is missing here? Which angle, which side is missing? Okay, this is 3 by 4. Hypotenuse is missing. What is AC? Use Pythagoras theorem. Just a minute. Completed. Find AC students. What's the value? AC value students. 5. So this is not the actual value. This is just a ratio. Remember, 3 and 4 are just ratio students. What's the actual value of BC? What's the actual value of BC? 15, right? Yeah, 15. Now look here. I'll tell you how to change the value. Till here, did you all understand how to solve? Till here, it is clear. Next. But BC value is not 3 students. What's the actual value of BC they've given? 15. Now, instead of 3, I need 15. What I have to multiply so that we get 15? What I have to multiply 3 with? Into 5. The same 5 multiply into all 3 sides. This is how you have to solve this question. So 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. This is the actual answer. Find the measure of AB and AC. What is AB and AC value we got? 20 and 25. This is the concept. So they'll give you tan value 3 by 4, that's a ratio. Actual value of BC is 15. You have to compare both the triangles. If you multiply 3 into 5, you get 15. Multiply that 5 with all 3 sides. Completed? Done? Okay, next question. What about ninth one? Did ma'am do ninth? She did okay. Even ninth is also easy, students. Look here. Let us start ninth one. B 90 degree, A is given. Theta, and this angle is alpha, 13, 14. Okay, first thing, how many right angle triangles are there? How many right angle? Which is the larger one, students? Which is B, not right angle triangle. Which angle is 90? Angle B is 90, right? What about angle C? Angle C? Angle C is also 90. Apply for angle BDC, students. First apply Pythagoras theorem for BDC. Find the value of DC. Take BDC. BD is the hypotenuse. DC is 5. Okay, fine. I'll teach. Let Ahalya and Jerusha complete. Take the triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem. BD square is equal to BC square plus DC square. What is DC square, students? 160 and minus 25, right? So what is DC value? 5. Is this clear? All of you understood? 5. Next one. Find the value of sine 5 is given. See, sine 5. In this triangle, students, we need to find sine 5. Where is this symbol, sine 5? What's the answer for sine 5? Take triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, what is sine 5, students? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. 5. See 5 is in this triangle. This one they have asked. 5. Okay, if you want to find theta, students, theta, do you think this ABD is a right angle triangle? Is this a right angle? Anywhere right angle is mentioned or drawn? No, that is not a right angle triangle. So if you want to find tan theta, angle ABD is not a right angle theta. So what you do is you simply join B. You join from B to this part. And I'll name this as E. Do you know the property of rectangle? Can you see BCDE forms a rectangle? Okay, what's the property of rectangle, students? Can you tell me the property of rectangle? Very good. Opposite sides are equal, which is in this rectangle. Mention up to sine theta if you have done. For tan theta, mention join B and E. Join B to AB, students, at point E. So you get D here, E here, B and C. Now there is a right angle formed. If you join from D to E, this angle formed here, E is 90 degrees. E is 90. So according to rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If BC is DC is 5, what about BE, students? B also will be 5. If BC is 12, what about ED? Yes, ED is also 12. Just go through what I have done. Alia, Jerusha, Shasha. What's the entire length of AB, students? Yeah, first tell me this, later you can. What's the entire length of AB? 14. In that, if B is 5 centimeter, what about AE? What will be the remaining? 14 minus 5. It should be 9 centimeter, right? and ED is equal to 12. Can we see? Can you see? You got a right angle triangle on top. Which is that right angle triangle? AED. In AED, ED is 12, A is 9. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Completed till here. For sine phi, it is fine. For tan theta, right? Join DE students. Okay, let me write it. Let me write. See, for tan theta, right? Join D to AB and mention DEBC is a rectangle. Therefore, BE is equal to 5 and ED is equal to 12. And we got AE is equal to 9. Okay, then take that right angle triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem and find tan. What's the value? 15. Then find tan. Find tan theta. For the tan theta, you should take triangle ADE students. So in this entire diagram, only BCD was a right angle triangle. If you join from D to E, we have another right angle triangle. Okay, tomorrow I'll send the test paper. No class tomorrow and day after tomorrow, students. Again on Monday you'll have to attend. Clear? Both of you all? All three of you all? Monday is holiday. Mostly I'll take two classes. For 2 hours, I'll let you all know. Completed till you're done? Okay, now I'll erase all this. Okay, let me keep it as it is. In triangle, you have to write like this. In triangle AED 12, 9. After applying Pythagoras theorem, you got 15. And theta is given. What is tan theta? Perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular, students? Opposite to theta, what is perpendicular? 12. Base is 9. Hypotenuse is 15, 90 degree. That is not base. Base is 9. If you reduce, you get 4 by 3. So, Jerusha, are you able to solve? Because only one class I took, right? Trigonometry. Able to solve? Perpendicular, okay. Because other students are attended. For them, it's revision. Find the measure of AB done. What's the answer given for this in textbook? And you'll just check. Ninth main second, write an expression for AD in terms of theta. The second one, Shasha, what is ninth main second? Write an expression for AD. What is that AD? No, ninth main second one. Tan theta. Write an expression for AD in terms of theta. Okay, what? It doesn't make sense. Write an expression for AD. Okay, is it just tan theta given? Yeah, just write tan theta, students. I don't know what they asked there. Write an expression for AD. AD is hypotenuse in terms of theta. AD is hypotenuse. Okay, just write tan theta, students. Just write tan theta. Fine. These questions we'll do on Monday. We'll continue on Monday, 10 to 15. Okay, now take down the test topics. Test rational number and irrational. Rational and irrational. Full. All three of you were there, right? For rational, irrational. Next. Trigonometry, students. In trigonometry, first exercise. Which was the exercise? 21, right? 21A full. In 21B, how many questions we have done? 1 to 9. Question 1 to question 9. Then, what's the other chapter we did? Compound interest, stage 1. Stage 1, go through your notes. Full. Even this one, full chapter for test. Just a minute. Full students. Make a note. Okay, I'll send it. I'll send it in the group and I'll send the test paper tomorrow. Okay, I'll be sending test paper tomorrow. Do you have any doubts? Any other question? Okay, complete this, students. Complete this and attend on Monday. Monday's timing, I'll let you all know. Okay, Monday mostly morning I may take, morning and evening. I'll tell you on the timings. Yeah? Okay, that's it for today. You all can leave, students. All can leave.